Cheese.
What's going to happen tonight, Jackson?
Who's coming tonight?
Santa Claus.
And how's he gonna come?
Down the chimney.
Down the chimney? Why does he do that? What's he gonna bring?
Presents.
This one present?
Mm-hmm.
How many presents?
One.
One or lots?
Lots.
Yeah? What do you think Santa's gonna bring you?
Some train tracks.
Some train tracks?
Yeah.
And trains?
Huh.
Do you think you've been a good boy this year?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so?
I was kind of naughty.
You were kind of naughty today?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do today? What did you do that was naughty?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think you're a pretty good boy.
Why?
I bet Santa Claus is gonna come. You think so?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Do you think we should go to sleep?
No.
No?
I think, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So Santa Claus can come? Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Jackson.